In this video we're going to use half double crochet 2 stitches before the center and then chain 2 and then 2 stitches on the other side. So if you ever have this in a pattern, so you would apply 2 half double crochets first. So 1 and 2 into the same stitch, then apply chain 2 and then come back in and apply 2 half double crochets. So that would be the new definition of this V-stitch, and it's using 2 stitches on either side. You can have as many different stitches on either side of that V-stitch. That's up to you. So if you want to do it again, it's just 2 half double crochets, chain 2 and 2 halves all within the same, and you will end up with a unique look and idea, and you can play with those in the future. This also makes for a cool border too. So this is a neat idea, and this is a V-stitch using half double crochet with 2 of them with the chain 2.